How to make cappuccino, step by step. Take porter filter, flash the group head with little water. Use digital scale, tear your porter filter. I gonna fill my grinder with some coffee. Better put little coffee to avoid losing flavor. Start grinding coffee, 20 grams in and 40 milliliters out. Use distributor to level your coffee, wipe aside and tamp. Lock it in nice and tight and put your mug on scale and tear. Start extraction between 20 to 30 seconds. No need under extraction or over extraction. We need out 40 milliliters. I start to prepare milk. I gonna steam milk for cappuccino. Were my pitcher for using pouring latte art. Pour milk and start steaming. Steaming temperature is 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. And cappuccino have more foam compared to the latte. Stop steaming. Wipe off your steamer. Pour your milk to pither. You're red, warmed up. Start pouring latte art. Mix your milk with espresso, slowly. Our cappuccino is ready now.